Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Duo security to your VPN and directory services, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Duo admin panel at admin.duo.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Applications section. Click on the Protect an Application button. In the search bar, type in your VPN solution to find the relevant integration. Select the appropriate VPN integration from the list that appears. Take note of the integration key, secret key, and API hostname provided. Next, open your VPN configuration settings. Locate the section for integrating third-party authentication or two-factor authentication. Enter the integration key from the Duo admin panel into the corresponding field. Now, input the secret key from the Duo admin panel in its designated field. For the API hostname, provide the address shown in the Duo admin panel. Save your changes in the VPN configuration. Next, configure your directory services to communicate with Duo. Access the Users section in the Duo admin panel. Here, you can add users or sync existing ones from your directory service. Ensure that you have set up any necessary group policies or user groups relevant to your organization. Now, test the connection to ensure that Duo security is properly integrated. Initiate a login attempt to your VPN. You should receive a Duo push notification or prompt for verification via your chosen method. Verify that the user is successfully authenticated and granted access. If issues arise, consult the Duo documentation for troubleshooting steps. Once everything is verified and functioning correctly, you can proceed to implement additional configurations as needed. This may include custom login prompts or user policies tailored to your organization. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Duo security to your VPN and directory services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.